To set double press home button function on your Galaxy Watch to open a specific app, you can do so by using two ways: directly from your watch setting menu and from the wearable app on your phone. As the example, we will do so from the wearable app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so on your phone, go to the app screen, find wearable app and then tap it, tap watch setting. Next, tap button and gestures. Under home button section, tap double press. Under app section, select the desired app. As the example, we will select calculator. To see how it works, press the home button on your watch twice to instantly open the selected app, in this case calculator. Given to the function, setting the double press home button function to open a specific app will provide you quick access to frequently used function, improving convenience and efficiency. Whether you need a calculator for quick math or another app for daily tasks, this shortcut makes navigation faster and easier. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.